Unlock your math potential with the Texas Instruments TI-84 Plus Graphing Calculator, now available at a record low price at Walmart. This isn't just a calculator, it's your all-in-one learning companion for conquering subjects from algebra to finance. Its preloaded apps like Cabri Jr. and Inequality Graphing bring complex concepts to life with interactive visuals. The MathPrint feature ensures accurate input of fractions and equations, minimizing errors and maximizing understanding. Approved for major exams like the SAT, ACT, AP, and IB, the TI-84 Plus is your trusted test-taking partner. With a clear display and USB connectivity for data sharing and updates, this calculator empowers students from middle school to college. Find the link in the description to grab this incredible deal at Walmart before it's gone. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your learning experience. This limited time offer is an investment in your academic success.